Misizulu, mzala wami, awumameli. Misizulu, mzala wami, ngakutshela ngathi yeka lo tshwala nalama drugs azokubulala. Yeka lo tshwala nalama drugs. Njalo nje mangumamela ukukhuluma uhlala ushushu, umahlala eshushu. Ngakubona lapha no King Charles. Uso umile mara ulele. So ngathi mudle mali yakhe. Kubona ukuthi hayi no uphelile ndoda. So Misizulu, ngakutshela mina, you are not at peace. Awuna peace Misizulu. And you are not humble like you used to when I lived with you here in the United States. You were very handsome, humble man, very considerate, just a cool kid. Nyalujikile wawislwane manje. You're fighting your sisters, you're fighting your brothers, you are not at peace, Mrs. Zulu. I know bakbangisa, niyabanga. But the most important thing, Mrs. Zulu, is peace. I live in peace, America. Angshuswa next. And I'm not chasing money. I don't chase the dollar. And live my life and enjoy my life and take pleasure in some of the most simplest things. You're worth $1 billion US. You can lose your life any minute. You're in the ICU from what I hear. Because Mrs. Zulu, you're rough with your life. You must eat well, you must sleep well, and you must be at peace. And be good to your people and not look for shortcuts. Ulingisa Mswati. Mswati is running up and down with these Arabs. Chinese, Indian, Pakistani, selling the land of the Swazi people. We are doing the same thing, man. Ngibona lama Arabs niyehla uyanyuka beyehla njengomkenkethe njengomakhosetive. Mrs. Zulu, I will pray for you. I will put a prayer that you get well soon. You get out of this ICU and you heal. But from now on, you must learn how to conduct yourself properly on the throne. You can't live the lifestyle you lived before you went into that ICU. I will pray hard for you, Mrs. Zulu. Nakubona ngisho indlela ohamba ngayo. Uhamba njengomswati kaso. You're out of shape. You don't exercise. When you were here, Mrs. Zulu, you were fit. You were solid. Manje ngathi uyiqhegu nje uhamba so njengomswati. Ngithi mina unani Mrs. Zulu? Une-gout. Hayi Mrs. Zulu, you are not well. I mean, I could look at you and tell you are not well. Yangibona mina ngifresh kwani. So once you get out of that ICU, I need to talk to you. And you won't return my phone calls. I need to talk to you, Mrs. Zulu. And stay away from that ritual murderer, assassin, King Mswati the third. Because that's part of the reason the Matimona Klasser. Okay, thank you. Bye-bye.
Hello Mzansi, welcome to Mgozi waseMzansi. Nangumonti usend message to King Mrs. Zulu. Umonti besimjwayele kakhulu lapha enkundleni uqhumela ngokuthi uhlezi endama video athuka uKing Mrs. Zulu, King Mswati naShembe uhlezi abathuka, but lately bese kanyamalele singade ukuthi unyamala likuphi umonti. He's back again ne video la iqondzise ku King Mrs. Zulu ukuthi uKing Mrs. Zulu usakasakhona ukuhamba ngathi une-gout, ayikayekele tshwala netidzakamiva. Kungumanje nje use-ICU because of tidzakamiva. Oh, and people are saying, hayibo. Umuntu uhlezi akhipha tigaqa, especially ngaKing Misuzulu, cause uyasho ukuthi bakhule bonke uma kakhuluma isiZulu beka-right. Nyalo ndlela sekabududluta ngakhona tshwala. Uze sowuhluleka nokuhamba ngathi une-gout. Guys, nenda tikhuluma kumonzi tihlezi tithusa abantu abaningi. Do comment your thoughts down on the comment section. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. I'll see you on the next one. I'm signing out. Goodbye.